Welcome to the world of Forex, where currencies are traded and fortunes are made. In this video, we'll provide you with a basic understanding of Forex and how it works. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for buying and selling different currencies. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Currencies are traded in pairs, such as the euro and the US dollar, or the Japanese yen and the British pound. When you trade Forex, you're essentially exchanging one currency for another with the hope of profiting from the exchange rate fluctuations. The value of a currency pair is determined by various factors, including economic indicators, political stability, and market sentiment. These factors can cause the exchange rates to rise or fall. Forex traders use charts, indicators, and technical analysis to predict future price movements. They aim to buy a currency pair at a lower price and sell it at a higher price, thus making a profit. To participate in Forex trading, you'll need a trading account with a reputable broker. The broker provides you with a trading platform, which allows you to access the Forex market and execute trades. Successful Forex trading requires knowledge, skill, and discipline. Traders need to stay informed about global events, economic releases, and market trends to make informed trading decisions. Remember, Forex trading carries risks, and it's important to start with a solid understanding of the market. Consider using demo accounts to practice and develop your skills before risking real money. In conclusion, Forex trading is a dynamic and exciting market where currencies are bought and sold. With the right knowledge and approach, you can potentially profit from the fluctuations in exchange rates. Thank you for watching this introduction to Forex trading. We hope this video has provided you with a basic understanding of how Forex works. Happy trading!